So you can also print all those events. Whatever the events are happening in the background, you can also check those events with the help of the print statement. We are going to update the background. Okay. So this update parameter is basically used to update the specific area of the screen. So if you want to update your parameter after some time, then you can do that with the help of pygame.display.update. So there are two methods which are basically used to update the screen. One is update method and another one is a flip method. So this is pygame.display dot see, there is one update method and you can also use flip method. Flip method actually updates the entire screen and update parameter only updates the specific area of the screen. So if you want to update the entire screen, you can use flip, and if you want to update the specific areas of the screen, then you can just write the update statement. And then you can set the timing. Like for example, if you want to update the screen after some specific time, like for example after 3 frame per second or 4 frame per second, so you can set that value here as well. So this is the parameter where you can set the value where you want to refresh the screen. For example, if you want to increase the speed of your application, if you want to increase the speed of the game, then you can just set the update speed to 40 frames per second. So basically human eye perceives 25 to 30 frames per second. So according to that, you can set the display. If you want to 40 frames per second, then you can do that with the help of clock.tick method. So as per your need, you can set the frame per second rate. And then finally, we are going to quit the application. So to quit the application, we will write pygame.quit, which is again an inbuilt method. You just need to call that method to quit the application. So this ends the Pygame instance. So whatever the instance we have created here, we started the Pygame application, like we created the instance for the Pygame. In the similar way, we need to kill that instance or we need to stop that instance. So this quit exits the Python application. Okay. And also you can write quit to quit the program. Okay. So in this way, we have created one Pygame application. So now let's run this and check what output we get. Invalid syntax. So this is the window. Okay. We got error. That is clock error. Pygame.time has no attribute clock. Okay. So this C should be capital. If you want to refresh this page or if you want to restart the kernel, then you can do that. Just press kernel here and just restart, and it will kill the previous instance of the program and it will start fresh. Okay. As well as there is one more option like restart and clear output, so that this output will be gone. Okay. Now run this. See, finally, these are the events which are happening in the background and we are getting these events here. We are getting the log of these events. So this is the window. Now I'm going to hover my mouse on the black screen here. See, these are the events which are happening until and unless I press this cross button. So it will take the log of the events. So in this way, we have created our first window. This is the caption, my first game application. This is the window, and as I'm hovering mouse over the screen, the events are getting logged. And if I press this button, see, the last event is quit event. Okay, because I pressed the cross button. So in this way, you can log different events and you can keep track of the events, whatever the events are happening, and you can trigger some functionality based on this. So in this way, you can create your first program structure with the help of Pygame. And in this way we have set up our first Pygame program.